Oh my God, it's great. It's great.
She loves it. Everybody keeps asking her where she got it. She always tells them, "Oh, my children got it for me."
We've just been waiting all year to get my mother another one. I love it. And I might even use my walker.
She's going to use it more with this. Up until today, it stayed in her living room. She wouldn't take it out the house.
My brother, he's a retired Marine, so he will really appreciate this.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Like, people do not know that this is available and how much it's needed just to brighten their day. So thank you for making an accessible product.
You've done an awesome job.
That she'll make her girlfriends jealous.
Welcome to the feel-good world of Wrap Happies, where we create fun and fabulous rolling walker accessories. In addition to the beautiful and fun fabrics, they have 2 pockets, one for a beverage bottle and another for those need-to-find-in-a-hurry items. We also made it convenient for travel, designing it to fold up with the rollator while also helping to contain the brake wires. And it provides a privacy and windshield while seated. And that is the inside. Strong. I have a tag down there with my website on it. We are now fully patented. Can I put it on for her now? Beautiful. I'm so excited for you guys. What do you think?
I love it. And this makes it personal. And I totally would use one if it had my personality.
And so I think this would be a great benefit to anyone interested in adding a little spice to their walker.
It's a great conversation starter. Everywhere she goes, everybody wants to know and talks about it.
I'm a physician assistant and I work in orthopedics and we do hip and knee replacements. So it's a really cool idea to help patients jazz up their walker.
You know, it represents all services, and that's what I appreciate about it.
Thank you so much. That was so welcome.
What started as a solution for my mother has turned into an intangible gift, a conversation and engagement opportunity for rollator users of all ages.